Are you looking for the best budget 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best budget 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra 3 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version multicolor fused deposition modeling 3-dimensional printer invites imagination into real form. This machine speaks to creators who feel ideas waiting inside their minds and want to see them become something real. Each print session feels exciting, like watching a thought slowly appear layer by layer, turning creativity into something you can touch and feel. Designers, hobbyists, and innovators feel confidence from the smooth workflow. Movement feels fast, precise, and controlled, allowing inspiration to flow without interruption. Time feels respected, making long projects feel lighter and more enjoyable. The experience encourages experimentation, helping users feel brave enough to try bold designs and colorful concepts. Multicolor printing adds emotional depth to every creation. Objects feel alive, expressive, and personal, not flat or ordinary. Watching colors blend during production creates satisfaction and pride, especially when the final result reflects original vision clearly. Each completed piece brings a sense of achievement that motivates the next idea. The generous build space supports ambition, giving room for detailed models, practical tools, or artistic forms. Creativity no longer feels limited. From functional parts to decorative items, everything feels possible and within reach. The printer becomes a trusted partner that supports growth and learning with every use. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo AE version multicolor fused deposition modeling 3-dimensional printer is more than equipment. It represents freedom to create, confidence to explore, and joy in making something meaningful. It connects emotion with innovation, helping users feel proud, inspired, and ready to turn imagination into reality again and again. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. Anycubic Kobra S1 speedy 3-dimensional printer inspires creators who value speed, calm focus, and precise results. It transforms creative ideas into real objects with a smooth and satisfying process that feels reliable from the first moment. Every print brings a sense of progress, helping users feel confident and motivated while watching designs take shape layer by layer. The experience feels rewarding, especially for people who enjoy turning imagination into something meaningful and useful. This printer creates a stable and balanced working flow that supports creativity without distraction. The movement feels controlled and steady, allowing users to trust the process and stay focused on their ideas. Printing feels quiet and peaceful, making long sessions comfortable and stress-free. This calm environment helps creativity grow naturally, turning printing time into an enjoyable routine rather than a technical challenge. Precision adds emotional value to every creation. Finished models look clean and accurate, reflecting care and intention. That level of detail builds pride and satisfaction, making each result feel worth the effort. Watching smooth progress encourages experimentation and confidence, helping users explore new designs without hesitation. Speed brings excitement and momentum. Projects move forward quickly, keeping inspiration alive and reducing waiting. This sense of efficiency makes creative goals feel achievable and keeps motivation strong. Ideas feel closer to reality, which fuels passion and curiosity. Anycubic Kobra S1 speedy 3-dimensional printer becomes more than equipment. It supports growth, creativity, and self-expression. It helps users feel capable, focused, and inspired, turning printing into a meaningful part of daily life. Every finished piece represents imagination realized, leaving a lasting sense of achievement and creative fulfillment. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3-dimensional printer transforms creativity into a seamless and satisfying experience, giving makers a sense of confidence and freedom. Each printing session feels like a journey where ideas gradually take shape, turning imagination into tangible results. Watching layers build into complete objects creates a quiet sense of achievement that stays with the creator, making every project feel rewarding and deeply personal. The process feels steady and reliable, helping users remain focused and calm. Time spent printing feels purposeful and enjoyable rather than stressful, allowing creativity to flow naturally. This stability builds trust between maker and machine, making long sessions feel comfortable and encouraging continuous exploration. Every completed print strengthens the belief that new ideas are achievable and inspires a sense of pride in one's own skills. Precision adds a layer of satisfaction to every result. Finished pieces feel refined, thoughtful, and intentional, reflecting the effort and attention invested in each creation. Seeing a design come out exactly as imagined evokes excitement and pride, motivating users to try bolder and more ambitious projects. Speed keeps momentum alive, letting ideas move from concept to reality without unnecessary waiting. Each moment of progress brings a sense of excitement, encouraging curiosity and experimentation. Creality under 3v3 three-dimensional printer becomes more than just a tool, it becomes a partner in the creative journey. It nurtures focus, imagination, and self-expression, helping users feel capable and inspired. Every completed model carries emotion, achievement, and meaning, leaving creators deeply connected to what they make and motivated to explore even further. Number 4. Sovol SV06 Plus 3D Printer. Sovol SV06 Plus 3-dimensional printer invites creators into a space where imagination feels powerful and achievable. It is made for people who enjoy building ideas slowly and watching them become something real. Every session feels purposeful, turning quiet focus into visible progress. Seeing a design rise from nothing creates pride and emotional satisfaction that stays long after the process ends. The creative experience feels confident and steady, allowing users to relax and trust the journey. Time spent working feels meaningful rather than stressful, helping creativity flow naturally. This calm rhythm encourages patience and curiosity, making learning feel enjoyable. Each completed piece strengthens belief in personal ability and inspires the courage to try new designs. Creative freedom feels expanded through smooth material control and reliable motion. Objects appear strong, clean, and expressive, reflecting care and intention. That clarity builds confidence and emotional attachment to every result. Watching ideas become solid forms brings joy and motivation, turning effort into fulfillment. Progress feels fast and exciting, keeping inspiration alive. Projects move forward without long waiting, helping ideas feel close and achievable. This forward energy prevents frustration and supports creative momentum from beginning to completion. Each successful print fuels enthusiasm for the next challenge. Sovol SV06 Plus 3-dimensional printer becomes more than a machine. It feels like a creative partner that respects focus, learning, and growth. It supports expression and experimentation in a way that feels natural and rewarding. Every finished object carries emotion, effort, and meaning, leaving users feeling accomplished, inspired, and deeply connected to what they create with their own vision in hands. Number 5. Creality under 3v3 KE 3D Printer. Creality under 3v3 KE 3-dimensional printer speaks to dreamers who want progress without pressure. Creative people often imagine results before seeing them, and that hope creates excitement mixed with doubt. This experience gently removes hesitation, allowing confidence to replace fear. The moment creativity feels supported, motivation becomes natural rather than forced. Many users seek speed because time matters emotionally. Faster creation brings instant joy, helping ideas feel alive instead of distant. That emotional reward builds momentum, encouraging exploration and learning. Calm focus develops when workflow feels steady, turning creative sessions into peaceful routines instead of stressful tasks. Precision gives reassurance. When outcomes match imagination, trust grows quickly. That trust creates pride, helping users feel capable and independent. Learning feels personal, not overwhelming. Mistakes transform into guidance rather than disappointment, shaping a positive mindset toward improvement. Automation offers comfort. Reduced manual effort allows attention to remain on imagination and planning. This sense of ease matters deeply because it respects personal energy. Creative journeys become enjoyable, supporting long sessions without fatigue or frustration. Creality under 3v3 KE 3-dimensional printer connects emotionally by supporting growth, patience, and confidence. Ownership brings satisfaction through control and freedom. Each finished creation reflects dedication, inspiring users to continue exploring ideas with joy. This relationship turns creativity into a habit built on trust, pride, and quiet happiness, making the buying decision feel meaningful rather than impulsive.